We're back, another day. I received, my dog is back there hunting something. Not sure. Received a new seal. Gonna go back behind this shaft right here. And while I was at Romeck, they hooked me up with like a secondary backup. It's like a little pop-off valve. So I'm actually going to go back up there and probably get one more of these little brass valves, because I don't know, maybe it's just an upgrade on the new models that they're doing for secondary, you know, for make sure you don't blow the motor up, I suppose. So, or save the seal so you're not having to pull everything off just to change the seal. So here we are, gonna get after it. And my dog is like, Cash. Crazy dog. It's supposed to be helping me, not playing around. The Denis Cimaf, man, they got pretty good videos that you can watch, but it's not nothing like doing it in real life. Here's the seal. Nothing looks. Nothing looks really obvious to the eye. But that's what it looks like. So I'm going to clean this up. Let's see if I can't get this seal out of here. Crazy dog. I'll let you see what he's doing over here. Cash. What are you doing? Chasing rats or something. I don't know what he's doing. He can find them for sure. He has a good nose on it. But let me clean this up. Let me try to pull this original seal out, and I'll tune back in here in a minute. Back. I just screwed a little screw into it here. Let's see if we can pull the seal out pretty easy. Here comes more oil. Imagine that. I just love working with hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid's so clean. It's like I love this. I love the skid steer. So with hydraulic brakes, it makes a mess. Not gonna lie. But that's pretty much everything. New seal. Get some of this oil in there. Push it in evenly. And let me go get Denis Cimaf actually provides you a tool, so let me go grab that tool real fast and see if we can't get this thing in here today. So Denis Cimaf provides this with the head. So I'm going to put this washer back on here, the screw. tapping. They say put it in, tap it. That's great. Got that all there, you go. Make sure it's clean when you get back to it. Make sure there's no debris, you know, make sure it's clean. Last thing you want is this thing to fail the first job you put it back together on. Done. In. It's not a bad job. It's kind of easy. So let's. I'm gonna take it a little bit further. I'm gonna change out some of these fittings on the cat too. I've read some forums that check all your fittings, your O-rings, and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna change all 3 of my hot flows just for the heck of it. I mean, I'm gonna check them, see if they're good. I can always reuse them in the future, but looks like this is not leaking anymore. It's amazing. It's amazing. This seal shut me down for an entire weekend. So we live and learn. What can we do? Let's get it back together and see if it works. Just want to pop back on there. It looked like it just literally just tore apart. I mean, maybe due to the weather, because I have been leaving it out in the weather, but I mean, yeah, it's pretty tore up. I mean, it lasted 3 years, so I mean, what can I? No issues whatsoever out of this machine in 3 years time. So I'm ready to get this thing back together. Let's see what she does. But I want to pop back on and just show you guys that seal. And now I got a second one too for backup. So I'm going to try to do this little upgrade here next, but I'm gonna clean up just a little bit. So mulcher's back together. It's kind of dark, but here's that little add-on piece that we put on. It's just this 90 here was already there. I purchased this. I need to go tighten this down here a little bit more, but I'm gonna try to bend, not bend, but try to make it kind of point over to this direction. And then pulley and all. I can't really see in there, but pulley and all is back all together. It's good to go. Tighten, torqued. I still need to clean all the oil up. Belt's tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and change all these out, 1, 2, and 3, just in case, just to rule that out. I want to double check the fittings as well and just clean it up a little bit. But other than that, that's it.